Howdy everybody. Here I am on top of Wood Mountain. So it's interesting in life when we're faced with mountains that seem impossible or impassable. And usually we're standing at the base looking up at the summit thinking, how am I ever going to get there? Or how can I ever do that? Or I don't think that's possible. But there's always a way. In the case of hiking a mountain, that would be taking one step at a time and moving forward. In the case of this wood pile, it is one piece at a time. One piece at a time. And I know that if I persevere, splinter, but that's okay. I'm going to keep going. I know that if I persevere one piece at a time, that it's going to get done. And I also know, it's very helpful to know, I'm not doing this on my own. If we always have a sense, or we can remember, or just take a moment to pray and think and realize the fact that God is always with us, which means that our source of energy, joy, love, strength, ability, gratitude, we're always one with. That's a huge help versus just thinking, oh, I'm out here on my own doing it. Yeah, granted, doing the work with a good friend, so long as they have a good attitude, is great as well. But so long as the main message is take a forward step. Move forward. Take a forward step. Throw that piece of wood and keep throwing. And as you do, the impossible will become possible. Everything becomes possible as we move forward. And each piece is saying, I can. I can. I love the idea. I can is the son or daughter of I am. So keep moving forward and the impossible becomes possible. You can do it.